Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to Kpekar Plumbing Company Limited. Up here, I'm going to show you some running water pipe running. So let's go in this building. I think I already posted this footings work video. So here's where we are. We are now going out with we are going up with the apartments. We have apartment and the stores. So we are going on the top of the apartments. So here is it. The shop, we hold on for the shop. We want to finish with the apartment and you use the wood to work on the apartments, the stores. Yeah, that's how we use materials. As soon as you are using it here, you move it to the other side. You cannot buy for this one and buy for the other one too. So here we go. Let's go. Uh, here we go. Uh, Here we go. So here we are right now. Yeah, this is our stores. This is our four stores over here and this apartment. So these pipes are they really water pipe from the foundation from the ground. So when they come this way, normally some people or sometimes we use, in fact me myself I'm part, okay. So like instead of this bend, you bring this bend up and then you bend it on the slab. So it means when they are doing the concrete, it goes to the corner there. But we realize that when you slope it to the corner, always you slope the water to the wall, it make the wall get wet. It's not a liquid, but as soon as the wall is getting water, anytime that it rains, it make the wall get wet. So we decided to bring it into the slab. So we are going to bring it around. So they are going to put the yeah, all around the decking. Okay, so now it's going to be on the floor. You can decide to just leave the mouth open or you can face flooring. So here we are. The electrician so is doing his thing. This particular one is already in the decking, so you don't need to intervene it. They are going to, cut off these pillars. In here to the same thing. You can see this pipe. We redirect it from the wall into the decking. So now the slope will come into the decking. It's better than the slope. Though now the engineers, to some of them, they don't want. In fact, they are not doing a wall anymore. They rather do concrete. So they will fix another small rod on where the block must pass through. Then they make it a concrete, they knock board and then they cast concrete through there all around the building. Okay, the concrete all around the building, concrete all around the building, concrete. So it's not a wall like normal block anymore. So sometimes they used to do after the decking, they lay block all around the building and that's it. But now they do concrete all around the building. So these pipes, I make sure that I extend them into the decking so that the slope will not go towards the wall anymore. The slope will rather come to the middle here and go to the ringing system. Let's go to this place too. It's the same thing, okay. This one, the way they do it is too small for me, but okay, it's not bad. This one, they're going to slope it. I think the main slope, the tiers, I think some are coming this way and then some too are going at the back there. So that's how the water is going to divert this one to the same thing. So these two pipes are for the ventilation. So this ventilation, I don't know how high this block work will be. So I want the clean out, okay? The clean out instead of being like instead of bending out there, I'm going to leave it on the parapet design. I don't know whether they are going to do parapet or even if it's normal block ground power, we are going to leave the cap on it. This cap, that cap, ventilation cap. Have you see that cap in somebody's house? Yeah, this cap, this cap, this cap, this cap. Okay, so this cap is going to be here. It's going to be inside on my wall, like the way that wall is. It should be inside the wall. It's not bending out. So I'm afraid though. Yeah, the way the wind is blowing, I'm not heavy too. So we have another one too here. They are all the same thing. This is what I always tell my people, that when you see the pipe fits like this, don't think it's something just easy like that. If you see the way I suffer, I crack all these irons. You can see that all these irons goes down. I crank them down. I personally crank them. That's why the pipe will be showing up. You see, I crank them down. Here we are. This place we have our polytank. Yes, for polytank. We have polytank stand here. Okay. Yes, polytank. Then these two green pipe are for the supply of pipe for the polytank. This pipe, the inlet and the outlet from the polytank. So the reason why I raise it up like this is because you see, as it is right now, when they cast the concrete will cover the white pipe. Then from there, and then that's our ground that we are going to put the polytank for. So on the polytank, I don't want to bend this one, go down and come raise it again. In the plumbing, we don't bend. That's what I always tell my boys, that we don't bend pipe anyhow. Yeah, any little chance that you get the pipe to go straight, make sure it goes straight. You get the correct pressure. But if you keep bending it anyhow, so this one raise it up like this, it's coming direct to the polytank. So the polytank water is going just one, and then it's dropping. You can imagine how the pressure will be. But if it comes and go down and go, you see, too much bend will reduce pressure. So that's the reason why I hang it up like this. So the concrete will come in somewhere here, and then here will still be up, and then I will extend it to the polytank direct. And by out here will be concrete. Okay, concrete all around the building. Concrete all around the building. So this one, the shop too, is going to be the same thing. Yeah, this shop too. On the top of the store, we have I think 2-bedroom apartment too. That one is for rent. This one is for sale. Yeah, but this particular one I think is for it to be for rent. And the first floor apartment, I think second floor also will be apartment. And this one will go up too, but this one will go up only one. You are the roof level now. Yeah, this is a roof level. So this how is your house, and at the end of the day, you can keep all this video and watch, and see how your house was and how it becomes. So as it is right now, after casting the concrete, they will lay block around, and then they will divert the slope. The carpenters will come and do them carpentry work, and at the end of the day, you see beautiful house. But this is how the whole thing started, and all these big houses, this is how it was dirty, rough like this. But at the end of the day, we know what we are doing, and at the end of the day, we see it clearly. So thank you, and keep watching Kpekar Plumbing Company Limited. Subscribe if you don't, and if you don't care, keep watching us, and make sure you receive all of our video. Feel free and ask questions. If you need our service, you can send us message. Thank you.